I found me an alien and we're gonna dissect it. What do you think we should name this one? Globbly-glook? Maybe?
No.
I don't know.
Overseer.
Okay, I guess we'll start with his heart. It's still beating. Not for long!
Poor thing.
He'd be fine. He ain't feeling any of this. Oh, and then we got just a bunch of slime with little parts in there. Let's go ahead and... Ew, yeah, yummy. Hey, look at this guy. Got... I don't know if that's a fireball or an alien larvae.
Go something to blur.
Yeah, it's trying to focus. But yeah, we got slime. We got a head. We got another one of these.
Oof, that's strong.
No wonder this alien died. It's got a skull in it. It's eating others. It's eating others. Starting to think maybe we did a service.
You just
It's
asked
so
for one.
sticky. Put that over there or get that all situated.
Well, you didn't show that one to the camera.
I'll show it when it's complete. Okay, well, okay, we got another head in here. This one kind of looks like the Mars Attacks aliens. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this shit. Look at it.
Guess we found new Spider-Man.
I don't like it. I don't like the slime of slime. It sticks to everything. Oh yeah.
No liking the smell.
Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, we got another head. Let's set this one aside too. Till we get the rest of its body. Are we resurrecting other aliens? Is that what we're doing here? What are we doing, Shelby?
Helping it give birth to new
Should we
aliens.
get the professor in here and make sure we ain't, like, you know, messing with something we ain't supposed to? Nah, we should be fine. It's another head. Like a pharaoh head.
King Tut.
King butt. Ew. Ew, it's stuck.
Well, if there's nothing else in there, leave it in there until you open the new one.
There's nothing else in there.
I know, I meant leave it down here.
It's not. I'm putting it back in here. Ugh. Insert an appropriate joke here. I'm gonna grab a paper towel.
Probably a joke.
Paper towel for my hands. This stuff doesn't even smell all that good either. Would not eat.
I said that earlier. You better scrub those hands after.
Taking out its rib cage now.
And guts.
And guts, everything.
Because they have the intestines.
Oi! Shut up. Gonna have to like squeeze it out like a Velveeta mac and cheese, you know? Just. Ew.
You told you it was his intestines.
Oh, that's cool though. I like that. That is pretty cool. I was not expecting. I mean, I guess I am dissecting an alien, so I should have expected it, but. Oh, we got a nice sword.
I think there was another blue piece in the bag.
Yeah, it fell right here. I don't even know what that is. But yeah, we got...
Yeah, see, there's still one in the bag.
Yeah, there's still one. Ooh. Got its guts. Maybe we'll see what it ate later. Ooh. Ew. Did you hear that? I wonder if the camera picked that up. But, ooh, we got the bodies. Also covered in goo, obviously. Oh, yeah, there's a pack in there. Oh, so slimy. Ugh.
Stickers.
Oh, boy. More slime. Start putting slime back in there. At least the pink slime wasn't as bad as the blue slime was. You know what I mean? Oh, boy. I mean, I guess it was kind of a pain to get it off the bodies, but it's not as bad getting it off your hands. I wonder how many people get these, open this up, be like, ooh, stickers, and the stickers are just ruined because the bag somehow opened up and the slime leaked into it. Playing with alien guts is fun. Okay. Let's take a look at the stickers. Oh. Okay, we got them in view. Got that dude. That dude I got. And we got that dude too. Oh, that's an interesting looking fella. I'd pick him up at a bar. Woo! Well, anyways, I'm gonna get stuff put together. Alrighty, now that we got everything set up, this is everything we got in the set. We got this dude, that dude, with their swords, and this is why this guy was missing a hand. He's got a drill for a hand. And you got like the larva, and the heads, whatever that is. Then the stickers, the alien guts. Oh, I'm gonna eat those later. Yum yum. How dare you? And the alien's organs. Oh yeah, and the alien himself. Oh, me. Yeah, what a good day. Well, I hope. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Oh, it looks like you need a new owner. It's time to begin.